Now, let's discuss on learning orientation and empathy and emotional intelligence in business adaptability. In today's fast changing business environment, adaptability is essential for long term success. The two key drivers of adaptability in business are: first one is learning orientation, the ability of organizations and leaders to continuously learn, innovate, and improve. Secondly, empathy and emotional intelligence, that is, understanding and responding to stakeholders' emotions, needs, and challenges effectively. Companies that integrate these two elements are more resilient, customer centric, and capable of navigating disruption successfully. First, we shall discuss on the learning orientation in business adaptability. Learning oriented businesses constantly seek new knowledge, refine their strategies, and innovate. This involves some of the key characteristics. First one is continuous improvement. That is, by encouraging employees to upskill and experiment with new ideas. Next is data driven decision making, using real time market insights to evolve strategies. Next is embracing failure as a learning opportunity. That is, viewing setbacks as a change for growth. Next is agile organizational culture. That is, by encouraging adaptability at all levels. For example, Infosys focus on continuous learning. Infosys fosters a strong learning culture through its Lex platform, an AI-powered digital learning ecosystem that upskills employees in cloud computing, AI, and emerging the technologies. This future-ready approach ensures that Infosys remains a global IT leader despite rapid technological shift. One more example is of Flipkart's adaptation to Indian e-commerce trends. Flipkart continuously adapts to Indian unique e-commerce landscape by learning from customer behavior. It pioneered innovations like cash on delivery to overcome the low credit card penetration. Kirana partnerships to strengthen last mile delivery in rural areas. This customer centric learning orientation helped Flipkart stay ahead of global competitors like Amazon in India. Second concept is empathy and emotional intelligence in business adaptability. Empathy and emotional intelligence enable leaders and businesses to build stronger relationships, understand customer needs, and make human business decisions. Some of the key characteristics are customer centricity, understanding and anticipating customer pain points. Second one is employee well-being and engagement, creating a positive and inclusive workplace. Third one is crisis management with compassion, supporting stakeholders during the challenges. Fourth one is effective leadership and communication, that is, by building trust and motivating teams. For example, Tata Group's employee-centric leadership. Tata Group has consistently demonstrated empathy-driven leadership, especially during crisis, that is, during the COVID-19 pandemic. Tata Steel's continued salary for deceased employees' families. Tata Sons donated 1,500 crore for COVID relief. This empathetic approach has strengthened Tata's reputation as a socially responsible business leader. One more example could be of Mahindra and Mahindra's support for farmers. Mahindra and Mahindra, India's leading tractor manufacturer, demonstrate empathy towards the farmers by offering flexible repayment options during poor monsoons, launching Triango, a tractor rental service to help small farmers access affordable machinery. By understanding farmers' struggles, Mahindra and Mahindra has built strong brand loyalty in the agricultural sector. Next concept is integration of learning orientation and emotional intelligence in business adaptability. Businesses that combine learning orientation with emotional intelligence are more adaptable, resilient, and impactful. For example, HDFC Bank's personalized customer service, that is learning orientation. It uses AI to analyze customer preferences and offer tailored financial products. Emotional intelligence trains employees in empathy driven customer interactions, enhancing the trust. One more example could be of Zomato's employee and customer centric approach, that is, learning orientation. Quick pivoted to grocery delivery during the pandemic. Emotional intelligence is they launched financial assistance program for delivery partners during tough times. In conclusion, businesses that prioritize continuous learning and empathetic leadership are better positioned to adapt, innovate, and thrive in changing environments. Companies like Infosys, Flipkart, Tata Group, Mahindra and Mahindra, HDFC Bank, and Zomato exemplifies how learning and emotional intelligence drive sustainable business growth while maintaining social responsibility. Now, next concept is implementing learning orientation and emotional intelligence in workplace culture. A workplace culture that embraces continuous learning and empathy driven leadership fosters adaptability, innovation, and employee well being. Companies that integrate these principles create highly engaged workforce, improve customer satisfaction, and maintain a competitive edge in dynamic industries. Building a learning oriented workplace culture. A learning oriented culture encourages employees to continuously upskill, experiment, and apply new knowledge. Some of the key strategies are encourage a growth mindset by promoting the idea that skills and intelligence can be developed over the time, by recognize and reward employees who embrace learning and innovation. Invest in continuous learning and development. Provide online learning platforms, for example, Infosys Lex, TCS Ion, or Coursera Accesses. Offer mentorship programs and cross-functional training. Create learning hours where employees can dedicate time to personal development. Next is foster experimentation and risk taking. Encourage your employees to test new ideas without fear of failure. Use an innovation lab or hackathons to solve real business problems. Implement Kaizen to refine work processes. Next is leverage technology for personalized learning. That is, use AI-driven training modules tailored to employee skill gaps by deploying gamified learning to make training interactive and engaging. For example, TCS Continuous Learning Ecosystem. TCS has built a culture of lifelong learning through platforms like TCS Ion and digital training for emerging technologies. Employees are encouraged to pursue certifications, ensuring they stay ahead in a rapidly evolving IT industry. Next is by creating an empathy-driven and emotionally intelligent workplace. A workplace rooted in emotional intelligence fosters collaboration, employee well-being, and customer-centric services. Key strategies include empathetic leadership and open communication. That is, train leaders in active listening and emotional intelligence. Conduct regular town halls and feedback sessions. Implement open door policies to make leaders more accessible. Next is employee well-being and mental health support. Offer flexible work policies, that is, hybrid work, mental health days. Provide counseling services and employee assistance program, that is, EAPs. Recognize work-life balance as a key business priority. Next is building a collaborative and inclusive culture by promoting diversity and inclusion through equal opportunities. Create employee resource groups for women, LGBTQ+ employees, and other underrepresented groups. Celebrate cultural and personal milestones to enhance the belongingness. Next is customer-centric empathy training. Train employees to understand customer pain points through role-playing exercises. Encourage customer service teams to use empathetic communication in problem resolution. For example, Tata Group's employee-first approach Tata Sons prioritizes employee well-being, offering family benefits, mental health support, and flexible work policies. This culture of caring leadership results in strong employee loyalty and high performance. One more example could be HDFC Bank's emotional intelligence in customer service. HDFC trains employees in empathetic customer interactions, ensuring personalized banking experiences. The bank also supports employees through leadership coaching and emotion resilience programs. Third one is integrating learning and emotional intelligence for workplace adaptability. Businesses that merge continuously learning with empathy create a future ready workforce that is both skilled and emotional resilient. For example, Infosys Leadership Development Program. Use AI driven learning platforms. Focus on developing emotionally intelligent leaders who can manage diverse teams globally. One more example could be of Flipkart's employee centric innovation. It encourages employees to innovate through hackathons, support employees with empathetic policy, that is, maternity benefits, financial assistance in crisis. In conclusion, a learning oriented, emotionally intelligent workplace culture enables organizations to adapt, innovate, and maintain long term success. Companies like TCS, Infosys, Tata Group, Flipkart, and HDFC Bank have set strong example by prioritizing employee growth, well-being, and customer empathy.